step away from having it all. Boyfriend, girlfriend, fancy car. You're insatiable, and that's true. You just want more. Climbing.
Hey girl, in this video I'm going to be doing some box braids with no edge control to protect my scalp through this thing I'm going through. This is going to be an actual protective style for my scalp, okay? This video is featuring Janet Collections Easy Split Pre-Stretched and Pre-Sectioned Hair, okay? Listen, you know I am not a braider, but sometimes I need to just put my hair up and let it do what it do when I'm having scalp issues or when I'm going through an outbreak in my scalp with HS, or sometimes I like to just put my hair up and not do anything to it or touch my scalp at all during my skin cell turnover week. So this is the hair. It is pre-stretched and pre-sectioned. It is beautiful. And then peep game, Janet Collection, they have a little piece in here that tells you how to braid. Like, it really breaks it down exactly how to braid. I looked at it too. I was like, shut up, they be teaching people how to braid, you better get it. Okay, so you guys, it also lets you know what other ways you can curl the hair. You can dip it and it can be curly, stretched, whatever you want to do. I am doing a very basic installation, you guys. Coming really soon, I may do like a really in-depth one where I really care about the styling portion, but this is a real life protective style. I am not knocking anyone that wants to use edge control on their scalp. If that's what you want to do, go ahead, do it then, do it. But for me, I am going to just simply take a serum, and serum, remember, has small particles, so it does not block the follicle. And I'm just gonna go ahead and straighten my roots just a little bit, and then I'm going to go ahead and attach these braids. You guys, remember that clogging the follicle with edge control is a lot worse than using a little bit of heat on your roots, okay? On your roots, it's not a big deal. So like I said, I'm just doing a basic braid down set thing, whatever you call it, because I'm not a braider. But let me say this to all braiders around the Americas, around the world, Craig, not just the city, the world. Y'all deserve so much respect, because I started in the front because I knew I was going to be irritated by the third braid, so I wanted the ones in the front to at least look a little bit okay. So any flaw that you see, I went ahead and fixed that braid afterwards. But I really want to stress to you guys that this is not a tutorial, okay? You're just coming along with me, and I'm going ahead and putting these braids inside of my head so I can give myself 2 weeks without touching my hair or scalp. I do not put anything on my scalp whatsoever except for this serum on my hair to protect it from heat. And if that serum gets on my scalp, it's not a big deal because it is a 0 on the comedogenic scale, meaning it does not block my pores. So all of the information for this hair will be found in the description box below. Just sit back, relax, chill, and you know, I just want you to see how it comes out without edge control, because I won't be using edge control at all, not even a little bit. Listen, I'm kind of getting into the way my hair and my body looks in general without me adding anything to it, because the reality of it is my edges are not slicked, they are curled, okay? So I want to start letting them shrivel up. So if y'all don't like y'all edges shriveled, girl, don't let it shrivel. Don't let them be shriveled. But I just happen to like the way mine look, okay? And I know somebody else that like it. And just to let you know, I am not doing this for fashion. My partings are simply to maneuver around the parts of my scalp that are going through outbreaks and things of that nature. I don't really need any direction, guys, on that. I've had HS my whole entire life. I know exactly what to do for it. We're doing good. But this is why I do not put anything on my scalp. I do not block the follicle. The thing that I'm going through in the scalp, it'll only be for about 3 to 4 days tops, and then everything will start to subside and we'll get back to it. We'll get back at it. But I just want to say that if the parts do not look like perfection, it's because I am not reaching for perfection. Okay, I'm still in the house, boo, and I don't be having people all that close to me. Okay, and my husband don't care nothing about how these parts look. So I just really want to put that out there. I am not trying to make these parts perfect. You also will notice over here on this side, that one is in a completely different shape than the rest of them. Once again, I'm not doing this for fashion. I am doing this so that way I can give my scalp a break. So anywhere that feels like it needs a little bit more help, or any place that it looks like it can't hold that much weight, the parts are different. They are bigger or they're different sizes. So I just want to explain that really quick so I won't have nobody like, oh my god, that look dusty, these parts ain't cute. Listen, I'm not doing this for fashion. I'm doing it for the health of my scalp and the integrity of my hair shaft. Okay, hope that makes sense.
I'ma make you mine tonight, pulling your hair, baby. I feel you breathing on me, on you. You know that I'm a selfish lover. When it's mine, I want it. One track mind for it, for you. I don't think I can let you go. I don't think I can let you go. Bet you love me before I go. Bet you love me before I go. I don't think I can let you go. I don't think I can let you go. Bet you love me before I go. Bet you love me before I go. Tell me what you want. Tell me what you need, baby. Tell me about your dreams. Tell me everything, yeah. Do it, I'll do it, I'll do it. I'll do it, I'll do it, I'll do it. Party's never over for me. My favorite Toy Story. Bo Peep is chasing me. Woody, let me be a fantasy. Swiss Army King, they call me. Come find the key, baby, baby. I don't think I can let you go. I don't think I can let you go. Bet you love me before I go. Bet you love me before I go. I don't think I can let you go. I don't think I can let you go. Bet you love me before I. Tell me what you want. Tell me what you need, babe. Tell me about your dreams. Tell me everything, yeah. Do it, I'll do it, I'll do it. I'll do it, I'll do it, I'll do it. Tell me what you need, baby. Tell me what you want. Tell me what you need, babe. Tell me about your dreams. Tell me everything, yeah. Do it, I'll do it, I'll do it. I'll do it, do it, do it, do it. I don't think I can let you go. I don't think I can let you go. Bet you love me before I go. Please love me. Oh, I don't think I can let you go. Bet you love me before I go. Tell me what you want. Tell me what you need, babe. Tell me about your dreams. Tell me everything, yeah. Do it, I'll do it, I'll do it. I'll do it, I'll do it, I'll do it. Tell me what you want. Tell me what you need. I'll do it, I'll do it, I'll do it. One step away from having it all. Boyfriend, girlfriend, a fancy car. You're insatiable, you just want more. Climbing mountains, crushing your goals, but you put your happiness on hold. Still waiting to start living. You need to know you're beautiful, you're perfect just like you are. Release your control, start to let go. Take a night off and let yourself go a little crazy. Crazy, crazy. Release your control, let your body go a little crazy. Just crazy, crazy. Let your body go. Live your life like you're winning. You don't need no pressure in it. You've been struggling too long. Now it's time to move on. And tell the truth like you mean it. Listen to yourself and hear it. And you'll start to remember how to surrender. You need to know you're beautiful, you're perfect just like you are. Release your control, start to let go. Take a night off and let yourself go a little crazy. Crazy, crazy. Release your control, let your body go a little crazy. Just crazy, crazy. Let your body. You need to know you're beautiful, you're perfect just like you are. Release your control, start to let go. Take a night off and let yourself go a little crazy.